In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to set up LinkedIn Outreach on Apollo.io so you can start driving more connections faster. Whether you're a digital marketer, salesperson, or business owner, Apollo.io can take your LinkedIn Outreach to the next level, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started. First off, let me tell you that you can use Apollo.io completely free with an exclusive bonus if you check the first link below. Stick around until the end of the video, and I'll share how you can unlock an extended free trial. Trust me, it's worth it. Let's dive right in. Once you've signed up and logged into Apollo.io, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. You'll want to start by connecting your LinkedIn account to Apollo. Go ahead and click on your profile icon, then head to Settings. Under the LinkedIn Integration tab, you'll be prompted to connect your LinkedIn profile. Simply follow the prompts to authorize Apollo to access your LinkedIn data, and you're ready to go. Now, let's talk about creating your first outreach sequence. On the dashboard, you'll see a section for outreach in the sidebar. Click on Sequences, then select Create New Sequence. This is where the magic happens. Apollo.io lets you design personalized outreach campaigns that can automatically connect with leads on LinkedIn, and it's incredibly intuitive. When you create your sequence, start by selecting a trigger. You can choose actions like sending connection requests, follow-ups, or even direct messages. This flexibility is key because it helps you create a fully automated flow that keeps your outreach consistent and tailored. Now, you'll want to build your sequence by adding steps. For instance, the first step can be sending a connection request with a personalized message. Make sure the message is short and sweet, but still engaging. Apollo allows you to dynamically insert the lead's name or company, which adds a personal touch to each message. After that, you can set up automated follow-ups for when your leads don't respond. Once your sequence is set up, you can start adding prospects. Apollo's prospecting feature lets you filter LinkedIn profiles based on various criteria like job title, company size, location, and more. This is incredibly powerful because it lets you target the right people, ensuring your outreach efforts are focused on high-quality leads. You can even save your search filters to reuse them later. Before launching your outreach, Apollo gives you a preview of how your message will look, which is helpful to ensure everything is perfect. Once everything looks good, hit Start Sequence, and Apollo will automatically take care of the rest. It's that simple. One feature I really love about Apollo is its reporting capabilities. You can track how your sequences are performing, see how many connection requests have been accepted, and even monitor your response rates. This data allows you to fine-tune your outreach and make it even more effective. Now, before I wrap up, remember, if you're just starting out with Apollo.io, you're going to want to explore the other features it offers. From email outreach to advanced analytics, there's so much you can do to streamline your outreach process and boost your results. And don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial available through the link below. This is a limited time offer that will give you full access to Apollo.io's powerful features. So there you have it. Setting up LinkedIn outreach on Apollo.io is simple and powerful. If you haven't already, make sure to grab your extended free trial by clicking the link in the description.